morning to all. We are here in Baguio at Bornham Park. This park was named in honor of Daniel Bornham, an architect from the United States who came to Baguio on the 19th century. And this Bornham Park is really famous in Baguio. You can tell to yourself that you went to Baguio if you are not here in Bornham Park. So look at this one. This is a very nicely done. Look at that one. And we are here right now. So we will explore this place. Okay, come on. This is my wife, Tina. So we are here. Let's go around. So let's explore for a while, then enjoy some of the attraction here. There is a hydro bike here. It's the center of the plaza. So I don't know what is in the other side. So back to Baguio. Just don't miss to Bornham Park. And I know some of the people here are just are tourists, just like us. And one of the most important thing here in Baguio today in the Philippines is summer, but weather here is quite good. It's not too hot. So we are here right now. Look at that one. They are also tourists. Just exploring here. So I will cut this short video. Okay, let's go here. And this place is surrounded by, what is another gate? We are going out, didn't I? Oh, I have to cut it off because we are here outside. No, we have to get inside.
May shawarma sila.
Gusto mo kumain ng shawarma? Dito tayo kasi nasa labas tayo dyan. Dito lang yung loob. Bababa tayo doon. Kasi namaya i-upload ko ito sa YouTube. Yan. This one is a very nice place. Look at this plaza right now. We're not a vlogger. We are just here to explore Baguio. I know these guys are roaming here. It's just like us. Oh, there's a lot of roses. This nice place. I don't know where is the hydro biking here. This one. Lalabas pa tayo doon. Dati may tubig ito. Ngayon wala tubig kasi siguro walang kurente. I don't know what is the other side. May mga paninday tayo, mga souvenir. Ah, dito lang yung ano. Another attraction. Gusto mong sumakay ng hydropike?
Oh?
Eh, halika. Punta tayo doon. May
Yung nagpipicture doon ng ano, tapos 50.
50?
Yung magpapalit ka ng damit.
Oh?
Oh.
Mamaya. Burnham Park. Oh, tingnan mo. Ganda doon. Sasakay tayo doon. Hindi kumpleto yung ano natin pag hindi tayo sasakay. So we are here. The famous hydro bike. So,
Ito naman ang pagkakuha mo.
ha?
Baka swimsuit.
Swimsuit?
Ganito tayo.